Forgot about laundry day? Not to worry. In this video, we'll show you how to make an easy DIY wrinkle releaser with a few household items. First, start with an empty spray bottle. Fill the bottle with 1 cup of distilled water. Next, you want to add 1/2 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar. Next, add 1 tablespoon of fabric softener. Replace the nozzle and give the bottle a good shake to mix up the solution. Spray a light layer of solution onto your shirt. After spraying, smooth out the shirt a few times with your hands. Now just give it a few minutes to air dry and it's ready to wear. It's even got the fresh out the laundry smell. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.